Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today we're doing a little bit of cooking. We're going to make risotto or rice pudding like my granny used to make. Traditional Cypriot dish. So here we are, it's a proper cooking program, like everything's laid out for you, isn't it posh? We've got 100 grams of short grain rice, and it's got to be short grain. Okay, then we've got 500 mils of milk, 100 grams of sugar, 2 whisked eggs, we've got 40 grams of butter, and we've got vanilla, there we are, and no Cypriot kitchen is complete without cinnamon. Cinnamon. Here we are. That's half a teaspoon you're going to need for that, and a pinch of salt. Where's our salt? Oh, we haven't got the salt out. Oh, how unprofessional of us. We haven't got the salt out. Silly Billy.
Right, so your granny said cook the rice in the milk.
Oh, okay. Put the rice in. Have you put the fire on? Yes, fire's on. There we go, fire's on. Don't forget to light the fire. So here we are. We've got the milk, 500 millilitres of milk, 100 grams of short grain rice. Don't forget, it's got to be short grain. So let that simmer for a little bit. So we've moved it from the big gas to the small gas just before it's going to boil, and then keep stirring it and simmer for 15 or so minutes.
Till the rice is really soft.
Make sure the rice is nice and soft. Now if you like, you can butter the dish, or you can use grease-proof paper. Look at that, it's thickened up, isn't it? Look, nice and thick. Nearly there?
Another 2 minutes.
2 minutes we'd be done, guys. Would you say that was about 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, about 15 minutes stirring it. There we are. If you sort of don't want to stir it, got an idea. If you get a cat, would the cat go run around like that? Like they do with the donkeys?
No, you need a donkey for that.
That won't work, will it? Yeah, well that's why it's a Cypriot dish, because you need a donkey. Yeah. So if you take it outside, put it in the middle, and the donkey will go round, just give it a carrot.
Right, that's done.
Right, that's done. Do you think? Yeah, it looks good. Right.
We've got to let it cool down.
Cool down a bit. That's it. Get it away from the fire. That's right. There we are. Keep the logs on the fire and let it cool down a little bit. Right, so switch on the oven to 180 degrees. Let it warm up. There's the rice over there, rice pudding, and there's our little bowls.
And it's not 11 o'clock.
No, it's not 11 o'clock, is it?
When we made the pizza bread, someone thought it was midnight, but we get so many power cuts, we just don't set it.
Yeah, just when you get a power cut, you just press the button and it stops it flashing. And don't bother about the time. Right, we've got to warm up the butter. Right, put the fire on. That's it. And put the butter in the little saucepan, warm that up a little bit. Melt it. That's it. It's quite a lot of butter, isn't it? Just remind us how much butter in there.
40 grams.
40 grams, there you are. Not a lot of butter. Did they always use butter, do you think?
Yeah, because there wasn't anything else.
Yeah.
We hadn't invented plastic.
Quite expensive though.
We hadn't invented plastic margarine then.
No. Oh no. No, I didn't have margarine. Definitely not.
Might have been a blob of olive oil.
Yeah, maybe olive oil, guys. Yeah. There you go. But we put in butter in anyway. So we've used the milk. There we are. What was in here? Rice. And what was in here? Butter. So the next thing we've got is we've got egg here, which has been whisked up. And free range egg from the lady up the road. There you are. The lady up the road keeps chickens. You just shoot down there and she gives you a bag of a dozen eggs. There you go. And we've got sugar. Right. Turn off the fire. Is that completely melted, do you think? Yes, well, it's there. It's got a little lump there and it's gone. Right, we've got a big bowl. We need to put the sugar in the bowl. Thank you very much. I'm holding the camera, you see. Not being lazy. It's okay, it's only a little bit. I mean, Granny never used to weigh out or anything. She just put, you know, put some in there. Put whatever you want. And 2 eggs whisked up. Main ingredient, vanilla. Where's that? Is that going in there? Stick it in there. There we are. This is how you pour vanilla. Delish. There you go. And really important, cinnamon.
Normal recipes put the cinnamon on the top.
Oh, okay.
But I'll put a bit in here.
Definitely can't go without cinnamon everywhere. That's it, nice and generous. Right, let's whisk that up. There we are. How to whisk holding the camera.
Do you want me to whisk?
No, I'll whisk. I'm good at whisking. Watch. Put it to one side. Ooh, smells delish. Now this is the lovely bit. This is the delish bit because you've got the sugar, cinnamon in there, vanilla, and you can smell it. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that delish. Free range eggs from the lady up the road. You can always tell that they're free range because they don't come in a packet. They come in a plastic bag. What do you think that looks like?
Golden syrup.
No, fudge. Fudge. If it goes wrong, oh, fudge. Right, so make sure your rice is cooled down efficiently enough. Is that the word? Anyway, make sure your rice is cooled down.
Sufficiently.
Oh, sufficiently. Enough, because we don't want to put it in there and it curdles. Then it's a disaster. And what you do then?
You put the rice in there.
No, if it curdles.
Go to Zorba's.
Go to Zorba's and buy a slice. Anyway. Do you think it's cool enough now?
Really, there's still steam coming up.
Oh, wait a little bit, guys. Right, what do you think? Oh, it's cooled down a lot. Right, it's nice and slow.
Keep stirring that fast while I put this in, because if it's a bit hot, it'll...
Yeah, nice and fasty. There you go. There we go. Oh, that's... Oh, now that's smelling delish now. Oh, wow. Oh, delishy. There we are. Now you can make more if you like, can't you?
This is supposed to serve 6.
6,
but
no.
not 6 greedy chops.
No,
I
no,
don't
no. I think this is enough for 2 of us. Right, now we've got the butter to do. Pour that in. Oh, Yeah, I think you can put olive oil in here, you know. Look, can you see it's like olive oil? Yeah. Guys, if you want to put olive oil, put olive oil.
Not so sure you can.
I think you can. Anyway, we'll put it in there. Right, now. Right, put it in the dish. There we are. There we go. Oh, there's a fair amount there, isn't there? Definitely not for 6 people, no way. 2 people. Portion each. Right, that's it. Just squash it in a little bit. You don't need to do much, do you? There you go. Make it a little bit square if you want. That's it. And a bit on that side, that's it. Right, we did say we had the oven on, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we did. Alright then.
Just making it square.
You don't need to make it pretty.
Well, you do, it's cooking.
Oh, you do have to have it pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Right, you open the oven and I'll put
We're
it...
not finished.
Oh, no. Cinnamon on top. Oh, yeah. Plenty of it too. Delish. Oh, look at all that. Wow. Ha, ha, ha. Put it in the oven. There we are. Now, do you know how long it goes in the oven for?
About 40 minutes.
40 minutes. There we are. That would be delish with ice cream. Put the timer on, 40 minutes. And in 40 minutes time, we'll show you the result.
I'm going to put it for 30 and then check it just in case.
Okay, good idea. Put it for 30, check it. If it's okay, fine. But normally it's 40 minutes. There we are. Right, see you in a bit. It's been about 35 minutes. I think it's ready now. All ovens vary, don't they?
They do.
It smells delish. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Wow. Let that cool down and we'll have it later on and we'll tell you if it's delish or horrible. I think it's going to be delish. It smells so delish. I can't wait till it cools down. So we've cut a little piece, not a lot there, is there? And we'll have the rest later. Look, that's what's left. Yeah, we'll finish that off later. If it's delish, might not be. Let's try a bit. Oh wow. We're definitely going to finish that off tonight. That is triple delish. So easy to cook. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.